Next technique is called swinging pendulum. And we're going to work the universal block in this technique. Now, we're going to take this technique started from a right fighting stance. This is for a roundhouse kick coming around to strike to the body. Now, it could be a roundhouse kick with the back leg, or if it's in a right fighting stance, it could be a drag-up roundhouse kick coming to your midsection. Now, from your fighting stance, we're going to take the left leg and go up the circle, and we're going to do a universal strike, universal block here. Now, that's a front hand doing an inward, your back hand is doing a downward block. Now, right from here, as we go off and we catch his leg, the next strike is going to be a hammer fist to the groin. Your hammer fist is going to drop downward here to the groin, but you like to catch him to the groin while his right leg or the kick in the leg is still up in the air. So we're going to go to the side, go up the circle, block the kick, and if you need to, you could put a little shuffle here, pushing off your back leg as you check. You're going to shoot that hammer fist to the groin, and then you're going to go up the circle again with your back leg and use that right obscure elbow to the face. Okay, we're going to take this again. From a fighting stance, we're going to step off, catch the kick, shuffle up and strike to the groin, and then go up the circle with the back leg again and shoot the obscure elbow. Now I'm going to take it from a different angle here. From a fighting stance, step up the circle with your left leg, universal block. Do a little shuffle if it's needed, hammer fist to the groin. Then when you make him lean forward, now you're going to go up the circle with the back leg again and elbow. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Master, come up, please. Okay, right leg back, fighting stance. Now I'm going to throw the roundhouse kick. We're going to go up the circle and hammer fist to the groin, then up the circle again as we shoot the obscure elbow. One more time. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now let's take it from a different angle here. From a fighting stance, go up the circle, 1, and catch him to the groin while his leg's still up in the air. Then we're going to step off, catch him with that obscure elbow. Okay, let's do this one more time from this angle. Going 1, 2, and 3. Now let's speed up a little bit. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Okay, let's take it from the other side.